Hello, gorgeous. I'm going to tell you the best kept hair secret right here, right now. If you want to have healthier, stronger, shinier hair, this is the cocktail that you need to be using. This is the ReNu Hairology Scalp Serum. You're going to use this as your hair vitamin. It has rosemary, alfalfa. It comes in a little tincture, and you're going to put this on morning and night. This is about the amount that you're going to put on your scalp. You're going to rub it in, and it's going to give you healthier roots. Wherever you have healthier roots, you're going to have healthier hair. This is liquid gold. This is the NuMe ReNu21. It has 21 amino acids in it. You're going to use this in place of your conditioner. It's going to be a leave-in as well. You can let it air dry or you can style as normal. You're just going to feel that like you have healthier hair, thicker hair, shinier hair, and best of all, you're going to feel more confident because you're looking better, honey. Go to my bio. The link is in there where you can find these. Use code MatthewMain for a little discount. And make sure you like and subscribe and message me after you've been using this cocktail for a couple of weeks into a couple of months and let me know how beautiful your hair is.